Hello everyone, this is Tatyana and welcome to my channel. Well, I hope you're all excited because today we are diving into the archives and I am sharing with all of you one of my most popular videos that hasn't been on my English channel yet. And I think you all are really going to like it. Well, this correction couldn't have been pushed off any longer. It's been 2 months and 1 week, so today's set is going to be a lot of work. However, I cannot wait to get her nails looking beautiful again. So without any further delay, let's get started. While removing the prior product with my nail drill, I'm supporting the bottom of my client's nail with my finger. This is to avoid the nail from denting. And to my great surprise, my client has no lifting. She just happens to be one of those lucky clients whose nails hold any product. And speaking of product, if any of you are looking for some high quality gels, polishes, or even a reliable nail drill, I've left a list down below in the description box of this video with some of my favorite companies and products that you can find right off of Amazon. On my client's index finger nail, there is a small crack on the natural part of her nail, which I will be fixing a little bit later with some product. We won't be taking down any length today, and that's because the current length is perfect for the new shape that my client wants to switch to, the almond shape. So with my nail file, I'm shaping the free edge. Then I'm taking my nail trail and using a bit with blue abrasion at 20,000 RPMs, I'm cleaning up the cuticle area. Once I've cleaned up the cuticle area, I can carefully snip off the cuticle with a pair of sharp cuticle scissors. Then I will be switching to a flame bit with red abrasion and cleaning up a little underneath the cuticle. I'll also be using this bit to buff up the skin around the nail. After dehydrating this nail, I'm applying a base and placing a small piece of cotton on top. For a case like this, the cotton will serve as reinforcement, and cotton also nicely absorbs the base coat. You could also use a fiberglass gel for a case like this. However, I've decided to use this method as my client doesn't want to use any hard gels on her nails. I've let that cure underneath the lamp, and now with the same base coat, I'm sealing her nail. Her nail is now nice, smooth, and even. And just look at how beautiful her nails are. I just love them. After 2 months of light-colored nails, my client wants something completely different. So after some brainstorming, we came up with an idea I think you all are really going to like. It's something super unusual. Today we are using 2 different gel polishes, this richly pigmented black and this vibrant green. Over the black nails, I'm applying this beautiful silvery chrome powder. I'm applying this right over her nail after it has cured underneath the lamp. Further, I'm taking a black gel paint, and over a few nails in green, I'm creating a small design, bringing both of these colors together. I'm letting this nail cure underneath the lamp for about 40 seconds and then applying right on top the same beautiful silvery chrome powder. This black gel paint is also non-wipe, so after it has cured, I can go right over everything in the powder. Now to seal everything in a glossy top coat, and we're finished. And what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments section below. If you liked this design in today's video, then please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, and until next time.